Hey guys, it's Todd from Wayfinder Realty, your host for Sold On Flavor. Today we're going to be doing a Thai chicken peanut wrap accompanied with cucumber salad. So we're going to put that together. I've already grilled the chicken, so let's go. Hey guys, here you have some grilled chicken. All I've done, I've pounded it flat. It's seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic. It's going to be seasoned up. This is probably one of the few dishes that doesn't actually need a protein. You can easily make this vegetarian. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to get the cucumber salad going because we actually want to let that sit in the fridge for about 20 minutes. So we're going to cut up the cucumbers, the red onion, toss that, and some of the ingredients. Just let that sit to pull out some of the water. Okay, so I'm going to be using a mandolin. Allows me to move fast. Hopefully it'll keep all my knuckles in place and have a consistency. And that's the thickness you want to do. Okay, so right now I just have cucumbers and red onion. I'm going to put in salt, about a tablespoon, teaspoon, quarter cup of red wine vinegar, and about a tablespoon of honey. Mix this up, and then I'm going to let this sit in the fridge for, like I said, 20 minutes and put the rest of it in. So the dill. Okay, so I've drained the water out of the cucumbers and the red onions, right? So now I'm going to transfer that into another bowl. Got a microwave going. I am in the market center right now. You will hear conversation and people walking by. That's all right. All right. So pull some of that water out. 2 teaspoons of dill. 2 tablespoons, pardon me. Give that a stir. Drizzle a little bit of honey on top, just a little bit. Okay, you want to slice up the chicken. This is the grilled chicken I did from earlier. Just give it a quick slice. It does not have to be warm. All right, so I'm going to make the peanut sauce. Now you just mix this in a bowl, but what I want to do is I want to get the viscosity right. So the main ingredient obviously is peanut butter. And this is a gluten-free option. I'll make a bunch here. So again, I'll put the recipe in the comments. A little bit of ginger, some sesame seed oil, rice wine vinegar, put a little sriracha in, a little bit of tahini, add some honey. Alright, so I got this on a low heat. And again, you don't have to do this. You can just mix it up in a bowl. I just want to change the viscosity and make it nice and thin. I've seen a lot of people use it as like a spread. Alright, so first I want to put a little bit of the peanut sauce on the wrap. Okay, the next thing is you want to build the wrap. Like I said, you do not have to use a protein in this. This is delicious without one even. And you can make it vegetarian friendly by having tofu, chickpeas, edamame beans, so roasted red peppers, cabbage, spinach, carrots, a couple green onions. Pull it in from the sides, wrap it tight without trying to rip the tortilla shell. Alright, slice. Hey folks, it's Todd from Wayfinder Realty, your host for Sold On Flavor. I want to thank everyone for watching the video today. I didn't have an opportunity to record my end segment as I normally do, but I can assure you this recipe is delicious and it will be a summer favorite of yours. Thanks for tuning in. Look forward to talking to you next week.